Have you been looking everywhere for Google Drive download settings and can't find them? In this video, I will show you exactly where Google Drive downloads really come from and how to change them on your PC. Here's the important thing you need to know first. Google Drive does not control where files download. Your web browser does. Let me show you the correct way to change it. First, open Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any preferred web browser. Click the three dots menu in the top right corner. Then open Settings. From the left side, click Downloads. Here you will see a section called Download Location. Click Change. Then choose the folder where you want Google Drive files to be saved. Now simply navigate to your preferred drive and folder and choose it. If you want full control, turn on Ask Where to Save Each File. This lets you choose a location every time you download from Drive. Once that is done, open drive.google.com and download any file of your choosing just to confirm. You will see it now saves to the new location you selected. So remember, if Google Drive downloads are going to the wrong folder, nothing is broken. You just need to change your browser's download settings. Now let's look at the second way to control where Google Drive files download on your PC. And this method uses Google Drive for desktop. This is different from using Google Drive in a web browser. Google Drive for desktop creates a local drive folder on your computer and keeps it in synchrony with your Google Drive account. To start, look at the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen and click the Google Drive icon. Click the Settings gear. Then open Preference. From there, on the left panel, select Folders from Drive. Under Drive Synchronizing Options, make sure Mirror Files is selected. This option downloads your Drive files directly to your computer. Next, click Change Folder Location. Choose the folder or drive where you want your Google Drive files stored. From now on, your Google Drive files will download and synchronize directly to that location. This method is best if you want your files always available offline, or if you want Google Drive to behave like a normal folder on your PC. So if browser downloads aren't what you want, Google Drive for desktop is the correct solution.